In this video, I'm going to show you the 8th website where you can find remote work today. Name of the website is Sykes. Earn up to $10 an hour. Website is jobs.sykes.com. Click on work from home. Scroll all the way down the page. Choose from a list of jobs.
Quick resale tip. Download the app Sellhound. Type in your item that you're looking to see how much it's worth, and then it's going to tell you what the average price it's sold for, what the average price it's listed for on multiple platforms. Super easy and free.
My friends, I'm going to keep preaching this, okay? There are more people turning 65 than ever before by a lot. It's not even close, okay? That's why Medicare insurance, I'm telling you, this is the best kept secret that nobody knows about, okay? It's not a Ponzi scheme. All you're doing is you're helping seniors get their health insurance, okay? And then you collect monthly premiums, not from them, but you collect it from the insurance company. So $20 a month per person, you know, you get up to around 300 people after a few years. It adds up, okay? So just want to let you guys know, hey, if you're looking for a side hustle, you can work it 3 months out of the year. It's a great way to make some dough.
So I got another great site that you can get very, very cheap products to your door that you can then resell online for a high profit margin. Now, this is one of my favorite coupon sites, and what a coupon site is essentially is you're buying something for like 20 bucks usually on Amazon, right? But you're actually getting a coupon code from these coupon sites to buy it maybe at 10 cents or $1 or $1.50 or something like that instead of the full $20. Now, you might be asking yourself, why do people do this? Well, you win because you get a cheap product. The site wins because they charge the seller, and the seller wins because while they're giving their coupon code away and their product at a discount, they get the sale, which helps rank their product. So everybody wins, right? So this site is called Zon Deals, and you can see right here, it's currently 6:15 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I believe it resets at 9 a.m. So obviously, as you see here, it's sorted lowest price, and there's a lot of cheap stuff here that you can get to your door, but it hasn't reset yet. Great site. Check it out.
All right, here's the 6th website I'm going to show you where you can find a remote job and work from home. The name of the website is LiveOps. Starting pay is $10 an hour, and it goes up from there. Join.liveops.com. Click on the opportunity section, choose your category. Click apply now.
You can make $50 to $80 in just 1 hour by using your phone. What you want to do is come over to this website called product2.com. And what you want to do is come over here to sign up and create your free accounts. And then after you sign up, you will start receiving invites to video projects, and you literally get paid to record short videos about your everyday shopping habits. And after you record the videos, you will upload the videos to ProductTube, and then within 48 hours, you will start receiving your rewards.
All right, this next video is for people who are 50 years and older. If you have parents or grandparents that don't want to stop working, definitely show them this video. Website is Vintage Experts. Gonna go to wahve.com. Become a wave. Opportunities. Choose from the list. Get started.
I promise you, if you stick around, you're going to learn how to make $20 to $30 an hour from your phone right now. The way you do it is you're chatting with an AI chatbot, answering questions about your habits, and you're getting paid. But there's a catch. There's 2 ways to do this the right way. It all depends on your demographic, but a lot of people on Reddit are claiming $20 to $30 an hour. One way to make sure that you do this correctly, when you answer your profile, make sure you don't say that you work in advertising or marketing or know anything about it. Learn
How to make money part 21, selling wristbands at school. Go to Google and type in custom wristbands. You can get wristbands that are customized for only 1 cent a piece. Order 100 wristbands, and you can put your colors of your school and the name of your school on there. You sell them for $1 each, and you'll make $99 on your first order. Follow Austin Gappelberg for more ways to make money.
So most people for 2020 are going to stay broke, and I'm going to tell you exactly why. Most people are going to spend their free time watching Netflix, playing video games, and doing stuff that wastes time. What you should be doing is developing yourself and developing a better you so you can make more money in 2020. Good luck.
Hold up, wait 1 minute. You stayed till the end. I appreciate you. Thanks for subscribing. And YouTube is recommending you watch one of these 2 videos here. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in another episode. Peace.